हम पहुंच गए हैं गोवा और ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मत लगाओ क्योंकि मेरे बाल वाइट हो रहे हैं। बता दो ये वो टी शर्ट नहीं है जो लड़कियां रात को पहनती है पजामे में, दिल्ली की लड़कियां। Finally see a beach guys, that's our second location. Look at this beauty.
60 लाख 50-60 लाख easy.
पहुंच गए हैं एयरपोर्ट। मैं भूखा हूँ, प्रोटीन बार खा रहा हूँ, मजे ले रहा हूँ। हम पहुंच गए हैं गोवा और अब हम खाने का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगने वाला, 44 मिनट्स टू गो टू दी होटल। और रात को कब खाएंगे कब सोएंगे, सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग कॉल टाइम है तो वहाँ लिटरली काला हो गया है सैंडविच। क्या कर दिया प्लीज़ ऐसा मत बोलना। दाल चावल फॉर डिनर, दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट। तुम्हारी हालत की टाइट हो जाती है यार।
People watching.
चम्मच के साथ खा रहा हूँ Mayank with fork and he has a logic to it. What's the logic, Mayank?
Because with a chammach, you get a lot of
Quantity.
Yeah, the quantity is lot. With this, you can manage it. You know. If you
Really?
don't- Yeah.
Really? There's
Because-
just a
because
mountain
see,
there and I
because
see.
You can edit the quantity out.
The next day.
So the idea is that I go to their room, get ready. So मैं बस इन्हीं चप्पलों में जा रहा हूँ। Hi Vikram, morning. We're ready and now we're doing the ice bowl thing. So Vikram and I go a decade back, and back though in those days I used to tell him ऐसा प्रोडक्ट मत लगाओ क्योंकि मेरे बाल वाइट हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि मेरे बाल वाइट होने लग गए थे। अब वो आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव कि विक्रम की वजह से ही हुए थे।
और मैं अब उसमें कोई शर्म महसूस नहीं कर रहा, मैं भर भर के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर
जिसका
रहा हूँ।
खामियाजा मुझे आज भुगतना पड़ रहा है। So I would like to believe कि विक्रम ने मेरे बाल ग्रे किए हैं।
यही मेरी साजिश है।
And we ready to go to the चलिए अब कर लेते हैं थोड़ी पेट पूजा। बता दो ये वो टी शर्ट नहीं है जो लड़कियां रात को पहनती है पजामे में, दिल्ली की लड़कियां, और फिर आइसक्रीम खाने निकलती है। ये वो वाली स्वाइली टी शर्ट नहीं है, बता दो। This man has
नहीं है, अच्छी लग रही है ये।
अच्छी लग रही है।
हाँ, सुंदर है।
Mayank is praising me because he wants me to wear the clothes he wants me to wear.
Also, I want you to look good.
Also, you can do that anyway without praising as well.
I don't have to like butter you up for that. I'm like, yes, I know. You don't have to say it.
Looks changed. We are going to the location number 2. TMI. मैं सुबह बिना चाय के निकला था और then I really wanted chai, but the reason I didn't have, I had to get on a guy's shoulder. I was like, if that pressure is built, then poor that guy. He's gonna get screwed twice. Once because of the weight and second because of the waist. So weight and waist. Yeah. Mayank, do you have anything to add?
No, I don't.
How? How have you run out of content?
I have not. I'm saving it. I don't want to wait and waste.
Finally see a beach guys, that's our second location. And I got my dal khichdi also with me. We are going to have dal khichdi.
On the beach. Isn't that fabulous?
Yes.
No more sex on the beach. It's dal khichdi on the beach.
Because it's orgasmic.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का, ये अश्लील है ये लोंडा।
Hi friends. आइए ह्यूमिडिटी में अपने बालों का कचरा कराए। I don't know what's happening. So yeah, close hand shot and I want my hands to look pretty. सुंदर। यार अब मयंक ने कपड़े इतने अच्छे दे दिए, so I have to match to it. Sorry, go ahead. Tell me.
Is this wide enough?
Camera rolling.
Yeah, it's wide enough. We can move a little bit slower.
So, how are you feeling? Feeling check time.
I feel very sweaty
Okay.
and yeah, beachy as well.
Beachy. Okay.
That's the vibe.
Are you enjoying?
I am pretty much.
Clearly, he's wet, so he's enjoying.
Naughty हो रहा के
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमें मेकअप नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए the way we are.
Absolutely.
जैसे ही कट होगा फिर हम एक और लेयर लगाएंगे.
Yeah, Arun, I know Arun like for a very long time, and it's always real fun working with him.
When it comes to his beauty, the hair and makeup. What are your views?
His hair is always in a mess
Uh-huh.
and it takes really long to fix them.
Okay.
Otherwise, he doesn't need too much of makeup.
So, would you say he's naturally beautiful?
Yes, he is actually indeed. He's beautiful actually.
Okay. You'll get your payment on time, don't worry. So, Akansha, how is it managing a talent like Arun? Is he easy? Is he fun? Is he a diva? Is he difficult? Is he a diva and fun? What are your views on managing him?
I think he's really sweet. He has not given me a very hard time. Maybe a little bit in
Hold
the
on,
start.
you said he has not given you a very hard time. But would you say he's given you a hard time?
A little bit in
A
the
little
start.
bit in the start. That is Akansha saying about her top-notch talent, Mr. Arun Singh. So the same question for me now. What do I think about styling Mr. Arun Singh? When it comes to fashion, I do think he needs, if not a lot, a bit of work for sure. He's open, he's cooperative, but then sometimes he resists. He has some very strong opinions about some things, but then again, he's a Libra, so you know, he's quite calculative about what he wears. But then in the end, I think it's quite fun working with. Of course, I can't say that he's been very difficult with me, as she says.
ये देखो भाइयों, दोस्तों, मित्र जनों, look at this beauty. बैटमोबिल फील नहीं आ रही? मैंने मेकअप रिमूव कर लिया और इतनी खुशी हो रही है मेरे को, बिकॉज मैं सांस ले पा रहा हूँ, मुझे बढ़िया लग रहा है.
Hi friends, on my left you can see there used to be a beautiful canal because he pressed the record button 2 seconds late. So yeah, I can't show it to you now.
So we have the footage, it's okay.
But we have the footage.
We'll buy the stock footage and put it over
I
it.
saw it with my own eyes and I am, let's just say, at ease. Like, it was beautiful, it was flowing.
Do you feel better?
I feel better, you know, it was a direct message from the universe.
So that makes
go with
our
the
life
flow.
easier, guys. Go on.
My god. I wish we see like a crane or something somewhere. Or like a bulldozer. That would be a message. Just put these guys under it.
इतना सुंदर बीच है यार, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. How are you editing it live?
So basically I'm capturing from the monitor. It's more like a screen recording.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'll capture
But these are
that.
not the final files.
These are not the final file. The
But you're
final-
just seeing the structure.
Yeah, just for the understanding of the edit. So we don't miss anything. Everything will be on place.
That's interesting.
So what we are witnessing right now is something straight out of Khatron Ke Khiladi. What do you think? Is it worth it to put your talent in so much danger as a talent manager? Would you put your talent in this kind of situation? Arun, how was that?
It was good, I think. But I wish I was paid enough to do this.
Oh girl. How was it?
Someone needs to pay me a lot more than I'm getting paid.
गोवा की बीच पे कबाब नहीं सीखेंगे, बाल सीखेंगे. Who would have thought of that? Which camera is this, Vivian?
It's a red Komodo.
How much does this cost?
Sound 10 rupees or something.
No, please tell me seriously. I'm actually estimate. You won't know.
Roughly about 6-7 lakhs.
6-7 lakhs. What's the name again of the camera?
Red Komodo.
Sir, can you explain what you're doing here? Okay.
Control of focus.
Oh, so you focus with this. What is this device called?
C-motion in a Sogan.
Oh. How much does this entire
Production cost.
Yeah, no, the equipment
The equipment. To buy or to rent?
to buy.
To buy.
How much worth?
Rolling in 20 seconds.
60 lakhs.
50-60 lakh easily.
There's a lot of stuff. We have a lot of big lights.
That's called the Dino.
What is it called?
It's called the Dino. We're replicating the sun.
Oh.
We have more lights. We have newer LED lights as well. Skimmers.
These are called skimmers.
These are called skimmers. It's quite big thing. It just bounces off all the light that it's getting from the target.
Right. And what are those black things called?
Those are called cutters. That's what you
They
use
cut
to,
the
like,
light.
Cut the light. So you use a little combination of adding and cutting the light to mold your face, and mold the features.
Wow. Several things learned in just one day, rather than just a few seconds, thanks to Mr. Vishnu. और अब फाइनली दिन हो गया है खत्म. ऑफ कोर्स मैं खाने लगा हूँ अपनी फेवरेट खिचड़ी और ग्रीन सैलेड और बहुत बढ़िया दिन रहा यार. आई होप आप मेरे व्लॉग्स को पसंद करें. प्लीज ऐसे प्यार दीजिए. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक सेंस ऑफ यूट्यूब. आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट. I have always enjoyed it. So yeah, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. With this, we've come to the end of this video. With this, it is a wrap.